how to remove TikTok profile picture. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the process of removing your TikTok profile picture. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, TikTok doesn't provide an option to completely remove your profile picture. However, there are two quick workarounds you can use to achieve a similar effect. So the solution one is to use a blank photo. To do that, simply open the TikTok app on your phone and after that tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the edit profile button and then simply tap on change photo. Now choose the take photo option and you can cover your camera completely or point it at a plain blank or neutral background, and after that you can simply capture the photo, and after that you can simply tap on save and post, and your TikTok profile will now appear as a blank image. And with that, let's head to the solution 2, that is to upload a default profile picture. To do that, simply open your browser and search for default profile picture Creative Commons Wiki and click one of the images and save it to your device photo gallery. And after that, simply return to the TikTok app and simply tap on change photo, and this time simply tap on select from gallery, and from there simply choose the photo that you have saved earlier, and after that you can simply tap on save and post, and your profile picture will now be replaced with the default one. And that's it. That's how you can remove TikTok profile picture. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.